everyone, and welcome back to Chemistry with Kat. Today's video is going to cover significant figures. We are going to learn what they are, the rules to use them, and go over some examples. Significant figures are used to tell us how precise a measurement is, what numbers actually matter, what was actually measured. Significant figures are very important in both physics and chemistry. If a question has 3 significant figures, we then know that our answer has to also have 3 significant figures. This is the easiest way to make sure that our answer isn't more precise than the information we started with. Every non-zero number is significant. For example, 387 has 3 significant figures. They've measured 387, not 380. They measured to the 7. Even 3.87 would have 3 significant figures. They're all non-zeros, and this shows us that they measured to the 100th decimal place. The tricky part with significant figures are the zeros. So I'm going to start with this. A zero that is in between 2 other non-zero numbers is significant. For example, 306. That 0 is telling us what the number is, 306, not 36. So that 0 is significant. If there's a decimal and the 0 is still sandwiched between 2 non-zero numbers, it's still significant. For example, 30.6 has 3 significant figures. Any 0 that comes before a non-zero digit is not significant. This is easy when we talk about 0, 0, 0, 305. We obviously know that the significant numbers are 305, but it might seem uncomfortable when we have a decimal. So 0.00305 only has 3 significant figures in it. Those leading zeros are not significant. The reason for this is because those leading zeros are really just telling us about the units. For example, 0.00305 could be in kilometers, whereas if we converted that to meters, we would have 3.05 meters, and we would know that those are 3 significant figures. Remember that significant figures are there to tell us about the precision of measurement, not the units. The tricky part of significant figures are when the zeros come after a non-zero digit. The rule is that if there is no decimal, for example, 20,000, we don't know that they actually measured 20,000. They might have rounded to 20,000. So in this case, there's only 1 significant figure. However, if there is ever a decimal in the number, the trailing zeros count. 20.000, that is 5 significant figures. The decimal shows us that they actually measured all the way to the 000. I know that was a lot, so I made this little summary page to help you guys study. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box and I would love to clear them up. We're going to be using significant figures in almost every question going forward, so I want to make sure that you're clear on this. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please give it a like. I have lots more videos to come, so subscribe to my channel if you want to be the first to know about them.